there. In this video, I will be showing you how to create and edit other admin user accounts. On your main dashboard, you will have a button here, Manage Admins and Evidence Checkers account. Once you click on this button, you will be prompted to the page that will list all the active company admin evidence checker accounts within your organization, along with the option to create a admin and evidence checker account. If you wish to edit an existing admin evidence checker account or just admin just evidence checker, you can do so by locating the individual in the list below and clicking on this edit button here. If you wish to create a new user to have admin or evidence checker privileges or both, you need to click on this create admin user evidence checker button. This will prompt you to the creation page. All you need to distinguish between is the types of users. Company admin accounts can create applications and process payments, however, cannot sign them off, basically confirm the applicant's identity. Evidence checker accounts, on the other hand, cannot create applications and process payments, however, can sign off applications that were assigned to them. The dual account, company admin evidence checker account, will give you full permission on our Aaron's account system. So to create the account, all you need to do is just select the user type and then fill in the details of the individual that you wish to perform the administrator and evidence checker tasks on the system. Once you're happy with the selection, all you need to just click submit and we will get in touch with the individual over an email with login details and a setup password link. All they need to do is just log in and they will immediately have all the privileges on our system. Hope this helps.